Hello guys, welcome to another video, and in today's tutorial I will teach you guys how to make YouTube videos for free. So step 1 to making a YouTube video is to come up with an idea. You have to come up with a video idea. Coming up with a video idea is not that easy. If you're a vlogging channel, you just vlog your daily life. But entertainment, tutorials, and gaming, you need to listen to your audience for ideas. But I can help you for gaming. You just game. You just do a video about your game that you're playing, or like a collab or something like that. A challenge, you can do that. It's not that simple as people think, because you have to come up with an interesting, good idea that people would want to click on and actually see. Keep thinking up some great ideas, and then you can go up to the next step. Step 2, record. Make sure you are exciting enough when you hit record. Get a good camera if you're like a vlogging channel, or a screen recorder if you're gaming, a tutorial, or something like that. If you record videos like that, then here are some good quality screen recorders that are free and have no watermark, like the snipping tool is what I'm using right now, the OBS Studio, and the Xbox Game Bar. There are others, but these are the main ones. Bandicam is also a good one, but you have to get rid of the watermark for that. The watermark is preset on there, so you're gonna have to get rid of it. Now, step 3 is to edit. Here are some steps to editing a video. There are more, but these are just like for simple edits. For the first step, you got import footage into your editor. Then you want to do cuts on non-interesting stuff. Then you want to add visuals like A-roll, which is basically like a face cam thing, and B-roll, which is just the footage you're seeing right now. My videos are all B-roll. I guess C-rolls could be like stuff on the screen, like memes and music. Speaking of that, here to the next step is to add music. So then people would like to listen to your video without getting bored. See, if I just talked like this with no music, you guys are probably gonna click off. Here's a meme, here's some music, and then you'll get some views. Well, not views, but watch time. So the next step is to add a voiceover if needed. If you're doing like a tutorial video or like a challenge, and you're doing like a step process, you're going to have to voice over, and then add text if needed, like here, or just like an example that I'm going to put up on the screen. Next is to add subtitles, and then finalize your video. Do this do step 2 to step 6. Well, no, more like step 2 to step 7 again, if you want to revise your subtitles. But other than that, you finalize your video, do step 2 to step 6 again, and then you go to step 8, which is to export your video in high quality. Now here's some editing softwares that are good. First, we got Final Cut Pro, editing software for pros that edit videos with effects and good edits. Not the same level as another editor, Premiere Pro. This one you have to pay. You have to pay like $300 for this. You also have a free trial, but for an iPad or like a phone, you have to pay weekly or monthly or yearly. Well, you have to pay monthly or yearly, depending on which plan you want to do for like a phone. It's gonna be more money to pay on a phone than on a computer, but still, you have to pay for it. Now, next we have iMovie, a pre-installed Mac editor for beginners that edit videos with good edits and effects. This is free there's no premium version or pro version or whatever that is. Because every single other free editor that I'm going to talk about in this video, there's a premium or pro or studio version that has more stuff. But with iMovie, it's just a free version. Now the next one is Clipchamp, a pre-installed Windows editor for beginners that edit videos with good edits and effects. It's basically just like iMovie, but for Windows, and also there's a premium version for more stuff. Again, it's free, pre-installed on a Windows computer, but again, you have to pay for a premium version if you want everything. Now we have CapCut, a simple editing software for beginners that can do professional effects and edits with the free and pro versions. So with Canva, you can do like really good professional effects and edits. It's simple and it's for beginners. Very beginner friendly. Again, it's free, but there is a pro version, and most things that were free are now pro, which kind of downgrades CapCut from a 9 to an 8. So yeah. And then we have Premiere Pro. I think all of you have heard this one. All YouTubers use this. Not all, but most. Premiere Pro is an editing software for experts and the most used for videos by most YouTubers for crazy edits and effects. Not beginner friendly. And you have to pay monthly subscription, yearly subscription. And if you want to get out of that Creative Cloud, which has tons of Adobe apps that includes Premiere Pro, you're gonna be slapped with a huge, giant cancellation fee. So, get prepared. Now, the final one here is DaVinci Resolve, an alternative for Premiere Pro that is for free, but to get more features, you have to pay for Studio. It's basically just Premiere Pro, but with less stuff that's free. And you just pay Studio, and then you basically just have Premiere Pro, but without all the other stuff in the Creative Cloud. Again, this is free, but you can pay for a Studio version. And then we go to step 4, thumbnail. To make a good thumbnail, make it simple. Just put text, an image, and effects, and that is it, and it'll get clicks. Really crazy thumbnails with 50 things on the screen is not going to get you clicks. Too much stuff is bad. You want to have a simple thumbnail. Now for thumbnail makers. Here are 2 thumbnail makers that are really good. We have Canva, a simple design maker for presentations, thumbnails, banners, and more. Beginner friendly. Like I'm using Canva right now. Their free version, there's also a pro version, a team version, and then a business version. The free version, which I'm using, is good, but the pro version is better. Team and business are for teams and businesses, so you don't really need those at all unless you're a team or business. So yeah. And then we have Photoshop. I think we all have heard this one. I think we've all heard of Adobe's products, right? The Creative Cloud? Yeah, okay. We're on the same track? Okay. A professional design maker for sites, thumbnails, and more. Not beginner friendly. Like super not beginner friendly. If you're a beginner, don't even think about Adobe stuff. You're gonna have to level up like a lot to get to Adobe stuff, because that's really professional. And then step 5, the final step, is to publish. So you gotta get a title. Make a good, exciting title that is like playing in Roblox. You just playing a game in Roblox, right? Yeah. Like how I make my title. This title probably, title of the video probably has exclamation mark at the end. Just saying. Because if you have a title like that, or like a dramatic title, then you'll get clicks. Now, step 2 is to wait for success and repeat. Wait for success like views and likes and comments, and repeat the process. So keep making videos! And one day you'll get that 100 subscribers you've been waiting for. Thank you for watching! Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Peace. Red X7 Gaming out!